everyone, Francesca here and CG by Fran. And today is January 28th of 2022. I just came from Michael's and I saw that they had their $5 grab bag, well, grab box, and I wanted to do an unboxing, literally. So, here we go. Now I went there. They have a lot of stuff with painting on sale. You know, the canvases. They have a lot of 75% off with Christmas. I kind of stayed out of that aisle because I know I can go crazy on it. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what this stuff is. What is this? Oh. Green Monster laser pegs. Let your imagination light up. Okay, so I don't know if they're all the same. Well, yeah. These gonna be Christmas gifts for somebody. Okay, 1, 2. Same thing. Okay, that's 3, 4. Now I'm gonna tell you, they had a box there that I saw that this was in there. They had it. It was kind of open. I was hoping that these wouldn't be like this. C'est la vie. Anna. Okay, so I know my daughter, Christina, likes that. But let me give you a close-up of these. Anyway, this is that Monster laser. Okay, I haven't the slightest idea. I don't know. I know nothing about this. I will ask my daughter if she knows anybody that would like that. And this is STEM, really steam powered kids, and it's, what does it say? Intruder alarm robot. I guess they build it. This is what it says on the back. Okay, contents: robot body with metal bell, robot arm, robot legs, hammer, plastic screw, trigger plate holder, connection plate, yada, all the stuff that's in there to make this thing. And guess you, keep your home safe, build your robot, highly sensitive. So it's STEM A+, so STEAM, but it's the STEM A+. So I'll ask my daughter, maybe they can use these at the library. For me, this is the only thing that I would have taken out of here, because I know my daughter likes stuff like this. So I will ask her if the library can use these for their programs. Okay, because I forgot how much these go for. These well, on sale clearance, it was $10 for this. I forgot how much they normally go for. I know in here they probably were $18. These normally would be $25, and they had it on sale for $17. And these, I don't know. I have the slightest idea, but this is, like I said, that's it, empty. So that was what was in the box, and I mean, $5. Yes, it was worth way more than $5, but I'm going to donate these, and I have to figure out where I'm going to donate them to. I think especially this one. This is for ages over 8. So I I think my neighbor, they moved now, but I think I can maybe give this and give one of these to them because this one is for. I just saw it said, oh, here, no, not for children under 3. So 3 and up, and this is what the back looks like. So I don't know. Okay, this is, oh, okay, no, they're all the same thing. They're all 18201. So 18201 is, well, the one that's on the package. That's the one down here. So this is 18201. So they're all the same. So like I said, I'll ask about the library. I think my neighbor's daughter may like this. Um, I think she would. I think she would. So I think I'll hold this to the side for her, and I'll see if the library can use that, and then I can give my other daughter this because she collects these, and because I know my other daughter does not collect those, and she doesn't. She'll know somebody who does. All right. So that was my unboxing. Nothing fantastic from my point of view. Maybe from your point of view. Um, These do have Legos in it, so it's going to be worth something to somebody that likes Legos. I mean, I don't even know whether my daughter, my other daughter's sons would like that. I'll ask if she wants me to hold one to the side because they're little pieces. Um, I don't know whether she'd want that. I'll find out. There's a couple of ideas of where I can give them to. But thank you for watching my unboxing of Michael's, and basically all those boxes had that in there because the other box I saw had that, and it was opened a little bit, so that's what it was. Wasn't any Christmas stuff, no Valentine stuff, um just getting rid of stuff like that. Okay, take care until next time. Bye bye.